Hi everyone, welcome back to Soft Techie, your go-to channel for discovering powerful, user-friendly software and tools that make life easier. Today, we're diving into Spine.design, sleek browser based on 3D design tool that makes creative, interactive, and animating 3D content surprisingly simple. Whether you're a designer, developer, or just curious about 3D, this one might just be for you. Spine. It's a real-time collaborative 3D design tool that runs directly in your browser. Think of it like Figma, but for 3D. It allows you to create interactive scenes, export from web, and even animate, all that with an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Perfect for websites, UI mockups, or just creating fun, interactive visuals. Spline is ideal if you're not a hardcore 3D modeler but still want powerful results. Check this out. Look at this cool real-time multi-user collaboration. So a lot of people can log in at the same time and work on a project. How cool is that? You may even create a game design or UI UX that might even be better than computer-aided design for your merchandise. Or look at this doll. Let's explore something in our own website. So let's start with 3D text. So this will lead us to app spine design. So this will lead us to the mockup app. And here we can see the 3D text. So we can sign up to edit this file. Let's continue with Google real quick. And we'll sign in. Continue. Yep. Where do this work? So what's your occupation? Let's say creator. Describes the best. Let's say hobbyist. Have you used 3D tool? Yes, I have. How did I hear about it? Say YouTube. You can start with query for today, and then if you want to move on to professional, it has more. So it's not limited for personal files. It works better with web, Apple, and Android. You can download exports, which I think you can also export it here with a watermark. So the extras here will be upload video and audio by yourself, higher resolution images, variable local storage, file version history, and a limited API and methods, and probably more as well. So we're starting free for now. And you can see here, a lot of people are contributing to this one project here because just like me, a lot of other people have logged in to see what this is. So to edit it for myself as a personal file, I don't want to disturb other people's you know, space to edit. I'm going to duplicate this file. So you see it's duplicating file for me. And it has cloned that entire thing onto my own version, onto for my account only. And new it's fine. So it's telling me to join the Discord group and YouTube for some edits, but I'm just gonna skip that procedure for now. Um, start creating. Skip. So you can see 3D text here. So let's create something on this file and see how to edit this to our own good. If I click on 3D text, it shows me the text information on the right side toggle top. So let's choose the content here. Right soft. So you see it doesn't fit because of the font size, so we might just decrease this down here. So you see how basic it is. So change that to 100 and now it fits. Now I might as well just move the position a bit. And here we go. So the towards the right, towards the front. Perfect. So each element here is obviously changeable. You can zoom in and out. You can see the whole interface from here with coordinations. Zoom in, zoom out. Something like computer aided design, but like much easier drag drop interface. You change the line height, goes down, you know. It's perfect as it is. I've just moved it now. Just keep it here. And spacing. So spacing down here. The letters. So everything's basically drag and drop. It's nothing complicated at all. Any normal person that hasn't learned graphic design can do this without any external knowledge. This is basically a really basic version of computer-aided design. And I think this would be perfect for companies, for shops, for anything else that's designed, or a 3D designer that's willing to learn. I think this is a perfect way to learn. There's also other elements you can edit around here, I think. The cube. So you can see here, I click on cube 7, this is this element here. You can move this up, down, change the states, change the information around here. Let's explore something else now. Move down. Let's go back to And so there's an interactive 3D experience. I've personally never used this before, so this would probably be a first time for me as well. And let's see how this goes. Oh, beautiful. So you see, this also kind of gives you motivation towards what you want to do. I'll duplicate this file as well, just for ease. It's duplicating file for me. Post this out. Perfect. So it's giving me a 3D room interface that I may change to my expectations. It could also be used for your own room interface, or could be for your own motivation, inspiration, or room design, or a play, something, like an act play act that you want to do for YouTube or anything. And I think it's a perfect tool for all of that. Um, let's run through some key features that make it stand out while we're at it. Have a quick look at this while I speak them out. Real-time collaboration. So as I showed you here, you can collaborate. So if this person has comments and people are commenting stuff related to the editing. There's also built-in animations over here. Materials and lighting controls. I showed you, you might change stuff from here, snap settings and everything. And there's a grid or an off or whatever. You can also import and export code, and that would probably be from here. So you import, and you can import a video, 3D model, sound, spline, image, vector, or any code that you want to do. And obviously there's limitations because of the price, but the good news is this spline is free to start, and you get access to most of the features with a free account. But Pro gives you more export options and collaboration tools, perfect if you're a freelancer or a small team. So the final verdict, also companies that use Spline are Google, Shopify, Microsoft, Snapchat. So some big names around here, Meta, and Webflow. It's huge names. Um, so great software, obviously updating every single day to make it even better. You can even make cartoons, something like Adopt Media, from Roblox, or loved by teams around the world. It's a community. You can join the Smart community. There's a lot of social media platforms, a lot of some pricing information, really cheap as well, $20 a month. If you actually work big business, it's really good. 3D embeds, a lot of different features you should explore. I'll put that all in the description of the video. And the final verdict, I'd say, so Spline is perfect for UI and UX designers and creative teams who want stunning 3D visuals without learning the curved traditional values and tools. It's lightweight, fast, and super fun to use. If you've been wanting to add some 3D flavor to your project, give Spline a try, and you'll be amazed at how much you can do in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, drop a like, leave a comment with your thoughts and Spline, and don't forget to subscribe for more software reviews and tutorials here on Soft Techie. Thank you. Until next time.